on, fratters! I am stacked up. I'm ready to boogie. I've got that much fuel on board. I don't think I'm even going to use any of it, but we're heading that way. Spanish, finger mark, Tuskies. Who knows? Who cares? Let's absolutely send it. Weather is looking prime. A little bit of a breeze, a bit of a morning sickness, but have a look at the bay. That sun. Let's get it. Woo! Woo! Look at it. She's coming up. I'm not going to muck around. I'm just going to send it. And I'll see you when we get there. Let's boogie. Righto. Things have just gotten bad. I'm a long way from home. Ski just shut itself, won't start. I think I rattled the starter motor loose or something. Pulled up to have a look at the viz. Some whales popped up. So I shut it down. And she wouldn't start again. So now I'm gonna try and get up high, get some service. See if I can get one of the boys to come get me. I'm about 60 k's north of the ramp, so it's just a big mission. So I'll get dry and make the most of it. Might have to get all my clothes dry just in case I'm going to be here overnight. It's just going to be shit because I don't have my flint either. I've just about had enough of this jet ski, I tell you. I cannot wait to get my boat. Righto, let's get it. Righto, got a bit of service. I'm going to call one of the boys, see how we go. And I mean, if I'm here now, I'm stuck, so I know there's a little bit of shelter up in this beach here, so worst comes to worst, that's where I'm going to be staying. There's oysters all along here. I've got my fishing gear. May as well make the most of it. Send the drone up, see if we can't find some whales. It is what it is. Yeah, if I don't get a lift, I'll be camping here. Try and wave out another boat or something. But yeah, lots of whales. There's whales everywhere. Some way out here just jumping. I'm gonna send this drone up. On this first drop, I point out a bommie that I like to dive on. It's about 4 meters from the surface and drops down to about anywhere between 10 to 12 meters, depending on the tide. This particular spot doesn't really ever get viz like this, so it's pretty rare to see. I noticed a Spanish up high, but I locked my eyes on what I thought was a big finger mark. And I didn't take my eyes off it until it got really close, till it come out of the murk. So I changed my target to the Spanish. This thing would have went 30 kilos plus. As you can see, I got muzzle wrapped and I was all over. That could have been dangerous. 30 kilo Spanish. Oh, let's start up and try again. So now, got my belt reel on. Straight after that, time to bang a tusky. This place is bloody real. Gonna go for another crack. Woo! What a day, ski's broken. Wind's kind of dropping out. Got me my stash on. Let's get it. Woo! You You can see here when I take aim on this Spanish how strong the current is. My rubber starts slapping and my shoot line pulls out.
That's a shot. Oh, shit, the current is so strong. That's why you got to really place your shots. I always go for that stone. That's a beautiful mackerel. Oh, I've got to be happy with that. Oh, the whales are going psycho out here. Woo! I need to go chill out.
On this day, the current was so strong, every drop I had to paddle back to the rocks to get my breath before I made my way back to the ski or before I made another drop. What a morning it's been. Yeah, obviously broke down. I actually broke down like way out in the channel there. And as soon as I did, I knew I had to chuck the fins on and start paddling because I was on slack tide. And there's no way I would have got the ski back if that tide started running. Went up onto the mountain up here, got some service, text one of the boys. Absolute legend, Marky, you're an absolute champ, are you? He's coming up with the big boat, with the Guardian. He's going to rescue me. In the meantime, I jumped in. First drop. Hit a big Spanish, I'm guessing 30 kilos. And I got muzzle wrapped. As soon as I seen that, I just locked my hand, made sure I tore that spear out. I would have lost my gear. Oh, as well as I did. Second drop. Got a nice tusky. Oh, he's got his fins up. Third drop. Missed a Spanish. Fourth drop. Got a Spanish. I want to jump back in. The tide is psycho. Let's see if I can see these. On this drop, I spot a heap of fish, some snub-nosed dart, some GTs, and a school of Spanish in the 20 kilo mark. You can see my rubbers slapping hard in the current, and you're about to witness chaos. I knew I was in some strife here, so I clipped my belt reel on. I knew that there was so much current, when this thing gets going, it's going to pull a lot of line, and sure it did. Don't try this at home.
Oh, bad shot on a good sized Spanish. Lots of current. Oh, just about spilled me. We got him now, I think. Muds are wrapped again. Lucky the friggin' rubber come off. Holy. There's whales just here. Oh, yes. Wow. Oh, took some line. I've got a mess here. I need to get up on this dry rock. Ah, these fins are just getting smashed. Oh, what a mess. Wow. If I get this in. This one's for the rescue team. She's coming. This is about as putrid as you can get for line management. Oh, I've got a big bommy here. I wonder how big it is. It's not bad. It's not great. That was ridiculous. Silly shot. Oh, she's just about done. Oh, we got him. Oh, that's thick. That's a thick Spanish. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yes. What the hell? Oh. Oh. That's an 18-20 kilo fish. Let's get him out of his misery. And then, look at the misery I've got here. Fucking what a mess. What a friggin' mess I've got here. Guys, do not try this at home or by yourself. I'd like to say I've done it before, but what the hell? Whales are just out here. It took me 6 minutes from shot. That's a 20 kilo plus fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-wee! Yeah, buddy! Oh, what an absolute brothel I've got here. Let me clean it up and I'll get back to you. Oh, what a mess. Have a look how much line that thing took off. I was trying to tighten it, and I didn't know whether to loosen it. My current just hooking. Woo. Yeah, buddy, the boys will be here soon. Oh, we can get some more now. I'm back with my spear gun. I'm getting absolutely beat up here. My fins are just getting smashed. Fuck. Swam over there, over the rocks over here. I thought my arm was feeling a bit tight. We on. Squid jig's caught something, finally. Oh. What else could go wrong here? Unreal. Righto, off that. Didn't film because I've got too much gear, but let's go. She's hectic. Go again. Oh, big GT. See that? That was hectic. It's getting hot out here. Slack. Let's go back to the ski and get me drink. So I'm gonna smack up some of these oysters on these rocks here. Use these panthers. Oh, son. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, that's a donkey, that one. How am I gonna get into it? Jesus. Oh. 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 Look at this. Absolute cracker. Wow. That is a donkey. That's as fresh as it gets. Spanish mackerel, GTs, Tuskies, whales everywhere. I'll be on the hoisties. We out here. Righto. New battery, more SD card. We're on the rocks. My shoes, my feet are busted. Let's get one. Whales. Oh, big GT on it, swooping. They're there. I'm gonna send this drone up. Let's go, come on. Oh, there they go. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. They're there. We're gonna get one. Come on. I can't get a good strike on it. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh! I just got a hit. There they are. We're gonna get one here. We're gonna get one. Come on. We took that last one, he just didn't have a good go at it. Yeah, oh! Yeah, oh! Shit! Drag's too loose. That was good. Go on. Need me trebles. I'm lazy. Gotta get into it. Come on, I'm gonna get excited here. Yeah. Oh, go on. Yeah. Oh. Oh shit! Oh, oh. It's good. Yes. Woo! 80-pound locked up 100-pound leader. Oh, where's he going? No, get him out of there. Oh. Woo. Look at him. Yes. We got him. Woohoo. Look at that. He's not the biggest, but he's a GT. That's unreal. Come here, fella. I'll get you done. I'll get you out. Oh, we did it. Beautiful GT. Not the biggest fish, but he's a fish nonetheless. Hooked him, side swipe. Oh, he got in the mouth too. Oh, these fish have razor sharp tails. If you don't be careful. Oh, yes. Off you go, rudder. And the whales are here to celebrate. Woo, he fucking did it. Oh. I love this place. Has everything. Let's have another crack. Mate, there are friggin' whales like 10 meters off the rocks here, just swimming past all day. Don't know about this popper though. It's not that good. Oh, help is here. Oh, no good. Well, that's the end of my day. Well, start of the end. We got a 60-kilometre tow back on one engine. The cat. What a day. Here's next on your frathas. Well, that's the end.